In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an infographic in Visme. Infographics are perfect for turning complex ideas into clear, visual stories, and Visme makes the process straightforward, even if you're not a designer. Start by searching for Infographic inside Visme's template library. You'll find a search bar at the top of the dashboard or in the Templates area. Type Infographic, and let Visme pull up a wide range of professionally designed options. If you already have a topic in mind, try adding a keyword like timeline, comparison, or process to refine the results. You can also skim through categories to find a style that matches your goal, whether it's educational, business-focused, or data-heavy. Next, select the template you want. Take a moment to preview a few designs to see their structure and how much content they can comfortably hold. Consider the orientation, the complexity of the layout, and how well the style fits your brand or message. Choose a template that naturally supports your story, so you'll spend more time refining and less time reworking. Once your template opens, edit the text, colors, and layout to fit your content. Replace placeholder headings with clear, concise titles that guide the viewer from top to bottom. Use short sentences and strong verbs to make each section scannable. Keep font choices consistent and lean on hierarchy. Larger for headings, medium for subheads, smaller for body text. Update the color palette to match your brand or theme. Aim for 2 to 3 main colors with high contrast for readability. As you adjust the layout, keep alignment and spacing tight and intentional. Use grids and guides to line things up and create breathing room between sections so each idea stands out. If a section feels crowded, reduce the text or simplify the visuals rather than shrinking everything. To bring your infographic to life, add charts, icons, and visuals from the Assets panel. You'll find it along the left side of the editor. Search for icons by keyword, then drag and drop them into place, keeping a consistent style, outlined or filled, throughout. For data, insert a chart that matches your information type. Bars for comparisons, lines for trends, pies for parts of a whole. Enter your numbers in the chart's data table and adjust labels, colors, and legends for clarity. Use photos or illustrations to support key points, but balance them with white space so the design doesn't feel heavy. And that's it. Search, choose a strong template, tailor the text and colors, and enrich the story with charts and icons from the Assets panel. With these steps, your infographic will look professional and communicate with impact.